Hey guys, Annie here, one half of the Social Sisters. So today I'm going to show you how to add a shape to your image that you are creating in Canva. So working in the Social Sisters post yet again, I want to add a heart to it. Why? I don't know. I just feel like it. So I'm going to go to the left here and we're going to scroll down to where it says elements. Go ahead and click on that. And underneath all the different categories that they have, you're going to see something called shapes. That's what we want to do. So we're going to select see all, and they have a ton of different options for you. So just showing you some of the things that they have available. And what's cool about shapes is that you can change the colors of them. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select this heart, and let's see. And you can actually center it. So when you have this big solid line through the middle, this is how you know that it is center in the graphic. And same for finding the dead center. Let's see, where is it? Maybe, there it is. Okay, where'd it go? There we go, and up, there we go. So it'll look like that. So going ahead, we're going to center it. Annie's going to take 10 years to do it. I want it to be red. Simply select the color box, change it to the red. There we go. You have added a heart or whatever shape you choose to your graphic. I hope this helped you. And until next time, I hope you have fun playing around in Canva, and you will see me again next week for another tutorial.